Okay, now there are few questions left to cover, so it will take only 10 to 15 minutes to complete the remaining questions. So let's quickly jump to every question and finish it. So here, estimate product of multi-digit factors. So estimate, yani you have to round with using rounding or using compatible numbers. So let's do here, estimate the following products. So we have two factors here. So to estimate this number, I will use rounding strategy. So round this number to the nearest 100. So circle the 6 or make 100 place in the box and look the next digit. 4 is not good, so it will remain same. So 6 will remain same and the rest of the digits will become 0, right? Similarly here, I will put 10's place in the box and look the next digit. 8 is good, so it will give plus 1 to this. So 1 will become 2 and the next digit will become 0. So 643 will round to 600 and 18 will round to 20. Now multiply together, you will get the answer. First I will take 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3, and then I will multiply 6 times 2, yani 12. So this will be my estimate. Okay, come to question number 2. Same here, make it in the box, look the next digit. Next digit is 2, not good, so this will remain same. So 3 will remain same and the rest other digits will become 0. And here also, make the first place in the box. The second digit is not good, so it will again remain same. So that is 6 and 0. Multiply together, you will get, first I will put 3 zeros and then 6 times 3, 18. So 18,000 will be my estimate of this multiplication. Come to question 3. Round 438 to the nearest 100. The same way, 3 is not good, 4 will remain same and the rest other digit will become 0. Same. Here 7 is good, it will give plus 1, so it will become 30. So now 400 times 30 will give you 12,000. So this is your estimate. Question 4. 5 is in the box, look the number 7. It's good, it will give plus 1 to 5. It will become 6 and the rest other digits will become 0. And here 4 will be in the box. Look, the 9 is good number, it will give plus 1, so 49 will become 50. So multiply together, you will get 3 zeros I will take first and 6 times 5 will be 30. So this is your estimate. Okay, so these are the some questions which are based on estimate. So now I have given you one question where there are 4 options. You have to tell me which one is correct. So estimate this, make this number in the box, look the next number. 3 is not good, so 4 will remain 4 and other digits will become 0. And here 3 is not good, so 1 will remain same as 1 and other digit will become 0. So 400 times 10, this will give you 4,000. So my estimate will be 4,000 is correct. Okay. There is a word problem on estimate. A school trip has 54 students to a museum each ticket, each yani times, cost 23 dirham. About, see the keyword about. About is estimate. Okay, so now you have to estimate product of 23 and 54. So estimate 54 times 23. Okay, so just estimate here. 50 round to nearest tens, so it will become 4 is not good, so it will remain 5 and yani 50. And here 3 is not good, so 2 will remain same 2, and the next digit will become 0. So 50 times 20, this will give you 1000. So 1000 is your correct answer. Okay. Now this is again very interesting question. Find the value of this. Okay, so be careful in this question, otherwise many students will do this mistake. Whenever you have this type of questions, first step, ignore the dot. Ignore. So I will ignore the dot and I will write 36 times 10 power 2. So first ignore the dot and write the answer for this. So 10 power 2 yani 2 zeros, 1 0 2 0. Power 2 means number of zeros. Okay, it's not working. Yeah, not working. Now 36 times 1, this will be 36. So if you multiply 36 times 10 raised to the power 2, your answer will be 3600. Now here in the answer, the digits will be same, yani 3600. Now you will put the dot. Here in the factor, on the right of dot, we have only one place. On the right side of the dot, we have only one place. So I will put the dot after one place. So this is my answer. Yani my answer is 360 is my answer. Okay, so always follow this step, you will get everything correct. Same here, ignore the dot and multiply. So power 3 yani 3 zeros, so 72. After that I will put 3 zeros. Now I will write the answer. The digits will be same in the product. Now I will put the dot after one place. So after one place I will put my dot. So my answer will be 7200 will be my answer. Okay. Same here. Ignore the dot and multiply. 19 times 10 power 2. So ignore the dot and multiply, yani 19 will remain same and power will give you number of zeros. So 1 and 2 zeros. Now using this I will get the answer. So digits will remain same and I will put the dot after one place. So after one place I will put the dot from the right. So my correct answer is 190 is my answer. Okay. Same here. Ignore the dot. 48 times 10 power 4. Yani 4 zeros I have to put after 48. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the answer will be having same digits. Now after one place I will put my dot. So my correct answer will be 48,000. This is my answer. Okay, so be very very careful while doing these questions because this will definitely come in your exam. Now this is MCQ questions, multiple choice. They are asking 1.2 times 10 raised to the power 2 is how much? There are 4 options A, B, C, D. So I will do the same way. So first I will ignore the dot. I have to find 1.2 times 10 power 2, correct? So first step, ignore the dot and multiply. So I ignore the dot and multiply. So this will give you 12 and then 2 zeros. 1, 2. Now I will put the dot. After one place I have to put the dot in the answer. So my answer will be 120 is my answer. Okay. So 120 is here. So this will be my correct answer. Okay. Now move to the next. Yeah, this is quite obvious and easy. Here if you check the color, so in one go we are coloring 4 boxes only. Can you see? In one go we are coloring 4 small boxes. Then again we are coloring 4 small boxes. Then again we are coloring 4 small boxes and 4 small boxes. So what does it mean? 4 hundredths yani 0.04 is multiplied. Yani how many times I am coloring 4 boxes? Just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 times. So we are coloring 4 boxes continuously 5 times. So 0.04 times 5, this will give you 0.20. So this option will be the correct one. Okay. Similarly, here I can see how vertically how many boxes are colored. Just count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So 90 boxes are colored vertically. Okay. And horizontally, how many boxes are colored? 10, 20. So horizontally only 20 boxes are colored, as you can see here. So 20 yani 0.20. So if one side we do vertical and one side we do horizontal, so it will give you a rectangle formation. So rectangle formation yani it is a area of rectangle. So I will write 0.90 times 0.20. So only one option is having this, that is 0. This. So or we can simply write 0.18 is the answer. So option B is the correct one. Okay. So you have to just follow these questions, because these questions will only comes by practice. The more you practice, the more you know. Okay. Now here, this is very interesting question. Which of the following representation is true for this? So what does it mean? It means 6 group of 4/10. Now you have to count groups and check where you will find 6 group. Okay. So in which figure you are getting 6 groups? Let's count. Here 1 group, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in the first option only I got 6 group, and each group is having 4 colored boxes. Can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. So each group has 4 boxes colored. So that means this is the only option which is correct. Okay. Now we are almost about to finish, and only 3 questions are left, then we are done. Which equation is shown by the area model? So you can see this is the area model. So one dimension is 2 and 0.9 and 2.2. 2, let me write 2.9. okay, and another dimension is 1.8. okay. Now to get the answer, we need to add the partial products. So this is my partial product 2, it is another, this one is another, and this one is another. So these are my partial product, so I'm gonna add these. So 2 plus 0.9 plus 1.6 plus 0.72. If you add them up, you will get 5.22. 5.22. So option B will be the correct one. Okay. So similarly, we have the second question also. Only you have to find the sum of partial product. These are the partial products. Just add them up and get your answer. So 30 plus 4 plus 6 plus 0.8. If you add them up, you will get 40.8 is my answer. So option number C is the correct one. Okay. So these are the different methods to finding the product of two numbers. And now we are almost completing the target. Find the missing product. It's very simple. One product they have already given. 45 times 17 is 765. Now they are asking the answer for this. Remember, here the digits in the factors are same. Here 45, here 45. And here the digit is 17. Here also the digit is 17. So the product will be same. Their answer and digits in the product will be same. So I am going to write the same digit in the product. But make sure you have to put the decimal point on the correct place. Here you can see in the factor I have one place on the right of the decimal. So in the answer we have to put decimal point after one place from the right. Definitely be careful. Whenever you are writing the answer, don't forget to put the dot in the answer. So my answer will be 76.5. So this will be your correct answer. Okay, so let's move to the next part also. So next question is similar to that. Here again, they have given the product of 32 and 1.4 as 44.8. Now they are asking the answer for 3.2 and 1.4. Remember, the digits in the factors are same. So the digits in the product will also be same. So my answer will have same digits as the question. 448. Now I am going to put the dot. So here in the factors, after dot we have one place here, and after dot and on the right of dot we have one place here. So total we have two places in the factor. So in the product also we will put dot after two places. So my answer will be 4.48. So option B will be the correct one. Okay. Now find the missing product here. Again 19 times 42 they have already given. 798. Now they are asking the answer for this. Since the digits are same, so the digits in the product will also be same. So digits will remain 798. Now I am going to put the dot. So in the factor, on the right of decimal we have one place. In the right of decimal we have one more place. So in total we have two places in the factor. So in the product also I will have two places on the right of decimal. So after two places I will put dot. So my answer will be 7.98. So this will be the correct. And now the last question. After that your review will be over. Use division pattern to find the answer or find the quotient. So this is quite easy. Here you need to follow certain rule. This is division, right? And here you can see how many zeros I can see here. Only one zero. So take 1 0 from here and take 1 0 from here. Now first I will divide 20 by 4. So 20 divide 4 will give us 5. Okay. So 5 I will put here. Now how many zeros are left over? So 1 0 and 2 zeros are left over. So I will put 2 zeros after that. This will be your answer. Okay. Similarly I will do here. I have only 1 0 here, so I will cut 1 0 here and 1 0 here. Now 18 divide 6. 18 divide 6 will give you 3. So 3 I will put here. Now how many zeros are left over? 1, 2. 2 zeros are left, so I will put 2 zeros at the end. So this is your answer. Similarly, I will do here 1 0 here. I will take 1 0. I will take 1 0 here. Okay. Now 8 divide 4. It will give you 2. So that is 2 will be here. 8 divide 4 will give you 2. So that will be 2. Now how many zeros are left over? Only 2 zeros are left. So I will put 2 zeros here. So this is your answer. Quickly come to these questions. Here again 1 0 I will cut here. 1 0 I will cut here. 15 divide 3 first. 15 divide 3 will give you 5. So 5 I will put here. Now how many zeros are left? 2 zeros. So put 2 zeros at the end. That's answer. Same here. Cut 1 0. Cut 1 0. Now 16 divide 8. It give you 2. 16 divide 8 gives you 2. So any 2 will be here. Only 2 zeros are left over. So I will put 2 zeros at the end. Same here. 1 0 here. Cut 1 0. Cut 1 0. 25 divide 5. Yani 5. 5 I will put here. How many zeros are left? Only 2. So put 2 zeros at the end. That's it. Okay. So quickly do these questions. I'm going to do it for you now. Hopefully you can understand. Cut 32 divide 8 equal 4. This is 32. This is 8. Now only 2 zeros are left over. So I will write 400 is the answer. Same here. 1 0 cut. 1 0 cut. 9 divide 3. 9 divide 3 will be 3. So 3 will be here and 2 zeros are left over. So 1020. 300 is the answer. And the last question of this review. 12,000 divide 40. Same way. Cut 1 0 here. Cut 1 0 here. Now 12 divide 4. This is 12 and this is 4. This will give you 3. So here it will give you 3. And how many zeros are left over? 1, 2. So 2 zeros are left over. So my answer will be 300. So option D is correct. So this is what we have completed. Your end of the review is done. We have arrived at the end of the review. So this is the way you have to solve each and every questions in the exam, and practice hard. The more you practice, the more you learn, and the more confidence you will get in the exam. So from my side, all the very best. Good luck. Best wishes for your exam on Monday. I hope that if you watch this video and solve the questions at home, you will do wonders in the exam. I bet on this. So good luck, my dear students. See you on Monday. If you have any doubt, you can ask me on Monday, or you can ask me in the review class, which I will take on Sunday. Okay? Take care. Bye-bye. Masalama. All the best.